Hello students, welcome to the English classes. Today I will tell you how to draft notice. You know that a notice is a written means of communication displayed to the people to make them aware of any incident or happenings. A notice is a written means of communication. It is a written means. It is not orally displayed to people, and its purpose is to make the people aware of any incident or happenings in the offices, society or anywhere. Before writing a notice, let us see some important instructions. First of all, name of institution and address should be given. While you are writing a notice, first of all, name of institution and address should be mentioned in the first line. In the second line, the word notice is to be written. The word notice is to be written. And name of the institution and the word notice, they should be written in capital letters. Both should be written in capital letters. After that, you should give an eye-catchy headline. An eye-catchy headline is needed in the third line. And after that, when you finish all these three, date of writing the notice. Date of writing the notice, the day you are writing the notice, that date should be mentioned here. The date should be on the left side, not on the right side. After that, write the content, the message part. And students, in message part, detailed information should be given. Detailed information. Where, whom, what, why, how. All this information should be given in the content portion. After that, below the content portion, when you finish your content portion, date, time and venue should be given. All the three must be in a systematic way as it is written here. If date is not there, write time and venue. Time is not there, date and venue. Venue is not there, date and time. If all the three are present, they should be put in a systematic way. Most important thing, adhere to the word limit. You should adhere to the word limit. If you are asked to write a notice in 50 words, generally the notices are written in 50 words only. If you are asked to write a notice in 50 words, 52 can be written. If you are making it 53, you will lose half mark. If you are making 54 or more than 54, you will lose 1 mark. 1 mark will be deducted. Avoid use of I, we and you. Avoid use of I, we and you. But in lost and found and missing notices, whether your dog is missing, any pet is missing, any boy or girl is missing, in that case, in that type of notices, in missing or lost and found, you can use I, we and you. But in general notices, avoid use of I, we and you. After completion of the notice, put your signature, that is, write your name. Signature means write your name. And after that, designation. Below your signature, designation, that is your post. Designation means post. If you are head boy, if you are head girl, if you are a teacher, principal, director, secretary, whatever, give it below the signature. And lastly, notice should be put in a box. Don't forget that. Notice must be put in a box, or otherwise you will lose half mark. If you fail to make a box, you will lose half mark. Don't fail to put the notice in a box. Go to the instructions, students, and in the next part of this video, I will tell you the format of notice writing. Till then, thank you.